Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're embarking on an exciting journey to master Java, one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an aspiring developer, this video is your ultimate guide to becoming a Java pro. We'll take you through each step, from the basics to advanced concepts. So, let's dive right in. 1. Getting started with Java. Start by installing Java Development Kit, JDK, and setting up your development environment. We'll walk you through the process, whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Once you're all set, it's time to write your first Hello World program. 2. Understanding Java fundamentals. Learn the basics of Java, including variables, data types, operators, and control structures. This foundational knowledge will be crucial in building your Java skills. 3. Grasping object-oriented programming, OOP. Dive into the world of object-oriented programming, OOP. Understand the key concepts like classes, objects, inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation. OOP is the backbone of Java, and mastering it will empower you to write efficient and reusable code. 4. Java Collections Framework. Explore the Java Collections Framework to work with data structures like lists, sets, and maps. Learn how to manipulate and store data effectively using powerful collection classes. 5. Exception handling. Understand how to handle exceptions gracefully in Java. Learn about try-catch blocks and best practices for dealing with unexpected errors in your code. 6. File handling and input-output, I/O. Learn how to read and write data to files using Java I/O classes. This knowledge is essential for dealing with external data and persistent storage. 7. Multi-threading and concurrency. Explore multi-threading and concurrency in Java. Learn how to create threads, manage synchronization, and handle concurrent tasks efficiently. 8. Working with databases and JDBC. Discover how to interact with databases using Java Database Connectivity, JDBC. Learn how to perform CRUD operations and manage data in your applications. 9. Java frameworks and libraries. Explore popular Java frameworks and libraries like Spring, Hibernate, and Apache Commons. These tools will streamline your development process and enhance your Java projects. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've completed our step-by-step guide to mastering Java. By following these points, you're well on your way to becoming a skilled Java developer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more programming tutorials and tips.